Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to use the Suno AI for background music and soundtracks. It makes it super easy to generate original soundtracks in minutes. Let's jump in. First, go to your sunoai.com and sign in. If you don't have an account yet, it's quick and free to create one. Then here you can start a new project. Click create or a new track to open the music generator. And here you can write a background music prompt. In the prompt box, describe the kind of background music you need. Mention the mood, the genre, the tempo, or instruments you'd like. Since this is a background, you might want something ambient or subtle or cinematic. Here is the example prompt. And the more specific your description, the better the result. And if you need an instrumental background music only, you can either mention instrumental only and in your prompt or disable the AI vocals in the settings. You can disable the vocals by toggle the instrument only. Then hit the generate and in a minute or so, the Sono AI will produce your custom track. Listen to it and if it's great, it's not tweaked, you can tweak your prompt for a different vibe or instrument mix and regenerate. And once you're happy with the result, you can download it with your preferred format and you can add it in your background music, in your YouTube videos, podcast, and more. And that's it. You've created your own AI generated background music using the Suno AI. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI music tips. Thanks for watching.